Splashing water in a playful way, bubbles dancing soft and bright. Everything feels fresh and light. Morning sun is shining through. Time for cleaning me and you. Water splashes on my face in my cozy bathing place. Rub-a-dub and scrub-a-scrub, singing songs inside the tub. Tiny bubbles go pop, pop, pop. Fun and laughter never stop. 3. Soap is foamy, soft and white, making everything feel right. Hands go swish and hands go slide, cleaning up from every side. Shiny drops begin to flow down the tiles in a glow. 4. Shampoo time for hair so neat, smelling fresh and feeling sweet. Rub it gently, slow and kind. Happy thoughts are in my mind. Bubbles rising high and free, dancing all around me. 5. Water rains from shower head, washing all the soap away instead. Splish and splash, it feels so fun. Bath time games have just begun. Clean and shiny, fresh and new, everything feels good and true. 6. Rub my arms and scrub my knees, blowing bubbles in the breeze. Fingers wiggle, toes all clean, freshest body ever seen. Laughing echoes in the air, happiness is everywhere. 7. Duck toy floats and bobs around, making happy splashing sound. Quack, quack joins the bubbly play, brightening up my washing day. Water sparkles clear and bright, everything is pure delight. Towel ready, soft and warm, keeping me all safe from harm. Pat my skin from head to toe, feeling cozy as I glow. Clean and fresh, I jump with cheer. Body wash time ends right here. 9. Mirror smiles and so do I, looking fresh and feeling high. Shiny face and happy eyes, like the clear and sunny skies. Fresh and clean from head to feet, life feels really nice and sweet. Body wash time is done today, but I loved it all the way. Clap your hands and sing along to the washing happy song. Clean and fresh is how we stay, every morning,